I'm Hima and I'm here to give you all a presentation on data communication and network topologies. Data communication. Transmitting data and information is called as data carried out between two or more computers or devices such as printers. Data transmission needs a connection between a sender and a receiver. This connection is called as network. Here, I have given an example of sender and receiver in real life. A boy is giving a flower to a girl. The boy is a sender and the girl is a receiver, and the flower act as an data. This is a real life example for sender and receiver. Data transmission modes. There are several modes of data transmission between senders and receivers. Simplex mode, half duplex mode, full duplex mode. Now we'll go through about this simplex mode. Simplex mode is a communication mode in which only one signal is transmitted and it always goes in the same direction. The transmitter and the receiver operate on the same frequency. The example for the simplex mode is the keyboard and transmission, and there are many more. Here that I have included a figure on it, and it's really figurative in this figure. The data communicates only in a one-way direction. Half duplex modes. Half duplex data transmission means that data can be transmitted in both directions on a signal carrier, but not at the same time. The universal example for the half duplex mode is walkie-talkie. In this figure, it is really well figurative of the half duplex mode. Full duplex modes. Full duplex mode means that data can be transmitted in both directions on a signal carrier at the same time. Example, telephone. You can consider this figure to get a clear understanding about the full duplex modes. Now that chapter closed and we start a new topic called network topologies. Physical layout of network is called topology. A network topology is the physical and logical arrangement of nodes and connections in a network. There are different types of network topologies: star topology, bus topology, ring topology, tree topology, and mesh topology. Star topology. The example given for the star topology are laptops, tablets, smartphones, wireless modem for accessing the internet. The advantages of the star topology are: it is very reliable. If one cable or device fails, then all the other will still work. Less expensive, easy fault detection, no disruption to the network when connecting or removing devices. Each device requires one port to connect to the hub. And the disadvantages of the star topology is require more cables. If hub goes down, everything goes down. None of the devices can work without a hub. Extra hardware is required. Performance is predicted on one concentrator, and it is the hub. Bus topology. It carries transmitted data through the cables. The advantages of the bus topology are: it is easy to connect computers in a linear function. It works efficiently. The length of cable required less than a star topology. It is easy to connect or remove devices in this network without affecting any other device. Very cost effective as compared to the other network topology. Easy to expand by joining the two cables together. And the disadvantages of the bus topology are: bus topology is not great for large networks. Identification of problems become difficult if the whole network goes down. Need terminators are required at both ends of the main cable. Additional devices slow the network down. The main cable is damaged, the whole network fails or splits into two. This network topology is very slow compared to other topologies. Tree topology. The example given to the tree topology are cable TV network, and there are many more. Tree topology is having a structure of a tree by the addition of bus topology and star topology. Advantages of the tree topology are: bus and star topologies combined, expansion of network, error detection, better security, reliable compatibility. Disadvantages of the bus topology are: maintenance of network, cable length, hub issues, expensive. Ring topology. A ring topology is a network configuration where device connections create a circular data path. Advantages of the ring topology are all data flows in one direction. A network server is not needed to control network connectivity between each workstation. Data can transfer between workstations at high speed. Additional workstations can be added without impacting performance of the network. Disadvantages of the ring topology. All data being transferred over the network must pass through each workstation on the network, which can make it slower than a star topology. The entire network will be impacted if one workstation shut down. The hardware needed to connect each workstation to the network is more expensive than Ethernet cards and hub switches. Mesh topology. Mesh topology has multiple connections, making it most fault-tolerant topology available. Example, telephone. The advantages of the mesh topology are manages high amount of traffic because multiple devices can transmit data simultaneously. A failure of one device does not cause a break in the network or transmission of data. Adding additional devices does not disrupt data transmission between other devices. Disadvantages of the mesh topology. Expensive than other topologies, building and maintaining the topology is difficult and time consuming. Installation is extremely difficult in the mesh topology. There is a high risk of redundant connections, complex process. Finally, my presentation is over, and thank you. I wish it's clear.